The following video will illustrate how to install the Harvista injection system onto your existing sprayer equipment. In this example, we'll be using an air blast sprayer. The first image displayed shows all the pieces included in a Harvista injection kit. The second image displayed shows all the pieces from the kit that will be needed for mounting Style A. Style A will mount the kit onto the sprayer frame. The first step is to perform a walk-around inspection to ensure that everything is in good working order. Our product cannot be mixed with water and should never be poured into the spray tank. After performing the initial inspection, we're now ready to start installing the Harvista injection kit. Begin the installation by mounting the tank. First, determine what size U-bolts are needed to mount the pockets. In this example, we're using the medium 6-inch U-bolts because of the thickness of the frame. Once those pockets are secured, insert the tank into the pockets. Use the set screws provided to secure the tank. Now we'll show you how to install the electric valves that are provided with the kit. First, secure the valve pockets onto the frame with the U-bolts. Next, attach the valves onto the valve stem with the bolts provided. Insert the valve stem into the pocket of the sprayer and use the set screws to secure the valves. Now we're going to move on to prepping the water injection pump. From your kit, you'll need 2 3/4-inch elbows, 2 3/4-inch hose barbs, and a T5 fitting. Add Teflon tape onto all fitting threads to prevent leaks. Be cautious when tightening fittings, as over-tightening can cause damage to the pump. Once your pump looks like the one shown, you're now ready to mount the injection pump onto the valve manifold. Use the pin to secure it in place. Now that the tank, the valves, and the injection pump are mounted onto the sprayer, we can begin preparing the hoses. The tech is going to prepare 4 hoses. Hoses 1 and 2 will be used to transfer mixed product to the booms. Hose 3 will be used to redirect the water supply line into the injection pump. Hose 4 will supply the injection pump with Harvista from the tank. Next, the tech is going to cut the sprayer's water supply line hoses and install our Quick Connect system. This will allow for quick and easy bypass of the Harvista injection system. Now that the Quick Connects have been installed, we're going to unite the whole system with the hoses that were prepared. Take hoses 1 and 2 and connect them to the Quick Connects closest to the booms. Take the other ends and connect them to the bottom of the valve manifold. Use the pins to secure them in place. Take the 2 remaining water supply lines and connect them to the T of hose 3. Grab the other end of hose 3 and connect it to the inlet of the injection pump. Lastly, take one end of hose 4 and plug it into the bottom of the injection pump and connect the other end to the bottom of the tank. Take the power cords and connect one end to the back of the valves. Then take the other end and connect it to a 12-volt battery. Use the control box to ensure that the valves are working properly. Once these steps have been performed, the installation of the Harvista injection system is now complete.